Welcome to Northwest Best, brought to you by Craig Perfect of Windjammer Realty. And now here's your host, Mike Halsey.
We're back at the Red Onion. If you like cool classic cars, pay attention to this next story.
Thanks, Mike. Come on down to the 5th Annual Mount Lake Terrace Classic Car Barbecue and Blues Show, featuring classic cars, great live music, barbecue ribs, and of course, Red Onion burgers and shakes. Brought to you by these sponsors.
To get your car on the show, be sure and call and register early.
And remember, all proceeds benefit Cheeseburger Babies Foundation.